Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting now. Make a working copy of the sheet so you can undo mistakes. Next, select the exact column or range containing duplicate text. This narrows the action and speeds processing. If you prefer safety, add a helper column to flag duplicates instead of deleting them immediately. Use data cleanup, remove duplicates when ready. That's the built-in quick method. Once done, review flagged rows so you understand what the tool matched and why. Now handle tricky duplicates caused by casing, extra spaces, or partial matches. Start by normalizing text. Wrap values with trim and lower so Alice and Alice match. To extract distinct entries, use unique on the cleaned range. That gives you a dedupe list you can reference. To mark duplicates inline, add a formula like equals countif, $1.2, $100, A2, 1. This returns true for repeats. Make sure to apply formulas down the column before deleting any. To finish, either run data cleanup, remove duplicates on the selected range, or filter the helper column and delete rows marked true. You're doing this so the dataset is clean for analysis or import. Keep the original copy until you confirm results. If you see unexpected deletions, make sure there are no hidden non-breaking spaces or unmatched anchors in formulas. Use clean, trim, and LEN to inspect. If needed, restore the copy and repeat normalization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.